Hi friends, in this lecture we will study how to create symmetrical drawing. So in order to create a symmetrical drawing, we'll first click on File and we will click on New. In New, we'll give the dimensions as 500 pixels by 500 pixels and we will click on Create. So new drawing board is ready before us. Now let us draw one illustration. So we'll click on View. We'll select rulers and we will select show rulers. After that, we'll use the selection tool and we'll click on the vertical rulers and drag and bring it to the approximate center of the artboard. Then we will use the pen tool and we'll try to draw one illustration, something similar to what I'm drawing. And you can see there is no line coming because the fill of the line is blank, so we'll fill it with black color and we'll also give it a stroke thickness, so we'll increase it a couple of points and we will also fill it with some color. So let's fill it with dark blue. Now supposing I want to make a symmetry of this object on the other side. So first thing which you'll do is you'll select the object with the selection tool. After that, you will click on the reflect tool from here. Now you will see one anchor point over here. So using the left mouse button, drag and bring that anchor point to the location where you want it. So I want the anchor point to come over here. And then keep the left mouse button pressed anywhere on this part and drag and bring it to the desired location. And after that, press the Alt key, then release the left mouse button and then release the Alt key. So you will see a reflected image of the object. But both these are two separate objects. In order to unite them, I'll first remove this vertical guideline. Then I'll select both the objects. Then I will use the shape builder tool and I will join both the shapes. Now it has become into one shape and I can fill it with any color of my choice. Now this was creating a symmetrical drawing using the reflect tool. However, what if I want to draw multiple images on the left side and similar images should automatically start coming on the right side? So how do we create such symmetrical drawings? So I will first delete this object. Then I will click on the line tool and I'll draw one straight line. I'll keep the shift key pressed so that I get a perfectly straight line like this. Then I use the selection tool. I will right click on the line and I will select group. After that I'll click on effect and in effect I will select distort and transform and inside that I'll select transform. Although it looks like a complex dialog box, it's actually very simple. You have to say reflect it on the x-axis, number of copies 1, and if you want to draw on this side of the object, then you have to say reflection as this point. If you want to draw on this side, then you have to select the reflection point as here. So since I want to draw on this side, I will select this as the reflection point. Then I will click on OK. Now you'll see nothing happens. But what you have to do is you have to double click on the line. So this will take you into the group line. Now whatever you draw on the left side automatically will start getting reflected on the right side. Let us draw one circle. So you can see it will get reflected. Let us draw one line. So you can see it gets reflected. Let us draw a polygon, and you can reduce the number of sides and it's reflected. Let us use the pen tool, and using the pen tool also, if you draw any object, it will start getting reflected on the right side. So how cool it is being able to create such symmetrical drawings. So anything which you draw here will get symmetrical on the opposite side. So friends, with this we finish our lecture on creating symmetrical drawings. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.